In this video, we will see the different plans that exist and how to activate our plan to be able to enjoy our free trial. In the main menu, we will go to this icon up here on the right. We will click on it, and a screen will open where all the plans we have available will be displayed. In each one of them, we will be able to see the different options and what does it offer us. And we will be able to choose the one that best suits our needs. Once we have decided on the plan, we will click About, the icon that will open the Stripe platform, and now we need to enter our credit card details to start the trial. If it is the first time we are doing it, it will give us 7 days for free and will not charge us anything at this moment, and it can be canceled during those days, within those 7 days, whenever one wants, at no cost and without any charges. Once this is done, our plan will be activated on the platform. And we will be able to move forward.